Hello everyone, my name is Naman. I am on the side of indoor games.
Hello, my name is Shruti and I am on the side of outdoor games.
Okay, so indoor games are better because if you are playing indoors, so you can play a lot of games, and you don't have to rely on other person. Like you don't need to rely on your friends for they have you don't have to wait for them. Like you will call them and they will come outside and you have to play with them. You can simply play inside.
So, if you are talking about reliability on other person, so give me some example that you should not reliable on that person.
Okay, so if you are playing any game and you will go outside and call your friend
No,
for
no, I'm
playing.
asking about the indoor games you are talking on reliability. So, give me an example of indoor games that you don't rely on other person.
Okay, so you can play online Ludo with a computer. You can play chess. You can play Snake and Ladders. There are a lot of games you can play into.
So if you're talking about Ludo, so it is in the mobile phone. Okay, so it will somehow affect your health. So if you are playing Ludo in physical manner, so you need a person to play. Same where in carom, same where in chess. How will you compete with other person?
Okay, so my first point is on the basis of reliability that you are dependent upon someone else, not upon the how the phone will affect your health. Secondly, okay, you can if you even want to play indoor, you can also play with your siblings, or you can call your friend at your home and you can play indoor. But if you are talking about outdoor, so you have to totally dependent upon your friend. Like if you have to play outdoor, so you will play only can play with your friend. But if you are talking about indoor, you have an option to play online.
So I agree with that online part that you can play. But if you are saying that if you need a person to play, so if you are saying that it is needed in indoor also, you need a person. So what is the problem? So same way in outdoor we need a person to play. If it is in the form of friends, it is in the form of relatives or in the form of siblings or cousins, whatever it way in that.
Okay, so I am bringing my next point.
Okay.
So outdoor games, if you talk about outdoor games, so if the season if it is raining outside, or it's too much cold, or it's too much hot, so you can't play outside. But if you talk about indoor game, you can play in every month, like whole year you can play indoor. But if you talk about outdoor, you have to look at the weather conditions, like whether the weather conditions are suitable for your play or not.
If you are saying about weather condition, it is not every time that you have to see the weather. Person are very engaged in outdoor activities, so the person will not see the weather. It is
Okay.
in the part of the rain that if it will hinders the problem, otherwise it is suitable to play.
Okay, so if you talk about the month of December or January, it's too much cold. If you talk about July or August, so it is a rainy season. If you talk about April, May or June, these kind of seasons, so it's too hot to play outside.
So
But if you talk about indoor game, you can play in every season, every month, like indoor.
if you are saying about season, so I think it doesn't matter a lot. If you are saying you will not play in mid afternoon, so it will your whole day is not gone in playing. So if you want to play, you can play in evening, you can play in early morning. What is
Okay,
the
so
problem?
okay, so what? How can you play outside if it's raining outside? Like if you talk about even evening, like 5 to 6 p.m. Even in summers, it's too hot to play outside. Even at 5 to 6 p.m. And in winters, if you talk about winters, 5 to 6 p.m. Like the sun set at that time, six to 6:30 p.m. So how will you play outside?
So if you are talking about winter season, so we can play 2 to 4 if a person wants to play, and if a person needs to
Okay.
play, so he can play till 7 also. And if you are talking about summer season or rainy season, you are creating a situation that it is occurring in monsoon. So there are most of the chances that we don't face that problem. We can play according to a suitable situation. So in the
Okay.
summers we can play according to if it is very hot in the afternoon, mid afternoon, or 3 to 4, so we can play 6 to 7, 8 to 9. What
Okay,
is
so you
it?
can change your time, but if you are talking about you can play 2 to 4 in winter season, like they also have to go to school. Like they are not free whole day. Like they have some specific time, like 4 to 6 or 6 to 7. They have a fixed time to play outside, like 2 o'clock if they are coming from school. So how will they play outside? Secondly, you have if you talk about rainy season, so it's not raining all the time. So there are a lot of factors also, like if the pollution is high, like if AQI is not good, or if there are dengue and malaria mosquitoes that are just roaming around, so how will you play outside? But
So
if you talk about indoor game, it is more safer, like in the weather perspective as well as the pollution and these kind of perspectives.
so I will give a reason for that. If you are saying that dengue thing and whatever, uh, there are many things that we can do to cover these things. We can use mosquito repellent or many other things to play. If a kid is playing, so no parents can stop them. So if you are saying that kind of situation, so there are many suitable coverage thing to do that. So
Okay.
let's chop this point and I will bring the point.
Okay.
So in outdoor game we can get more socialized.
Okay, so if you talk about, you will get more socialized if you play outdoor. You can also get more socialized if you are playing indoor games. Like you can connect socially through social media, or you can just call your friend, your video calls, or you can play online Ludo and chess and these kind of things. So you can also get socially connected with your friend even in indoor games.
So if you are talking about video calls, games, this will not give you that much fun that if you're playing in outside. If you're socially playing outside, you connect to a lot of people in your surroundings. You talk to everyone. You know their views. You play with them. You understand more lot about things.
Okay, so even if you are saying, you can get more connected in outdoor games socially, you can also call your friend to your home, or you can go to his or her house for playing. And secondly, if you are playing online, so it will also improve your communicating skills. You can also talk to them with person with different opinions, and you can also connect to them easily.
So if you're talking about communicating skills, so you will call there is 2 to 3 person that you can call your friends, or you
No, you
can.
can play with a lot of people. Like if even if you talk about Ludo, you can play with maximum, I guess, 8 to 10 people.
Okay, so you are just talking about 8 to 10 people. If you are out, if you are in an outside environment, so you can face lot of people. Like it is not belongs to your age, your senior ones, your lower ones. You can connect to lot of people. I'm saying that.
Okay, so you can connect, but it will also create problems. Like if your seniors are bullying you, like if you are playing and they are just not behaving properly with you. Secondly, if the old age people were sitting there and you don't have the space left to play, if the people are roaming, so you don't have that much space. Even in park, it's not that much empty. You can play badminton or football, or cricket, these kind of things.
I can understand your point that if you are creating any situation that about the park or lot, there are 2 3 parks connected, and people would know where to sit if a person is playing. You know that.
Okay, so there are a lot of children in India. Like population is huge, so the parks are not empty. Like you will play with your friends in the park. Other kids will play, and seniors and your juniors.
So guys, this was our debate. Who spoke better? Please tell us. And if you like our video, like, share, and subscribe.